finally out. Oh my gosh, finally! I went shopping and it was cloudy. It's been raining a lot, which is depressing, but finally the sun is out. But I'm still inside because your girl has to look for a costume. This is actually pretty last minute. Some people prepare this like the beginning of October. I just prepared it considering the fact that the one that's sold on Amazon is $35. This $8.50 is a pretty good deal. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Celia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my process of making my Lara Croft costume. I'm going to show you some vlog footage as well as the process. So if you guys are excited, please keep watching. There's so many different versions of Lara Croft to choose from. And at first it was actually very tricky for me to decide, but then I ended up choosing this version, which is most similar to Alicia Vikander's because it's cold. You know what's so interesting about dressing up as Lara Croft is that there's so many different versions of Lara Croft. Like, there's like the green pants, there's the black pants, and at first I didn't really know which direction I was actually gonna even go because I was like, there's Angelina Jolie's like sexy black one. I don't know, I guess my version's just gonna be my own Lara Croft. Part of a Lara Croft costume is having the right holster belt, and I'm glad that I went to Buffalo Exchange and there was actually a worker there who recommended it to me. And then I went and tried to find the full outfit, but I couldn't really find it. The pants didn't really fit right, and I wasn't really feeling the top either. It just didn't fit what I imagined Lara Croft to be like, so I ended up going somewhere else. And here's some footage of me leaving the store. I didn't want to vlog inside the store, and I never went there before, so maybe next time. Guys, so I actually just finished thrifting. Right here, I'm about to call an Uber. I only have $15 on me, okay? And it's a struggle because this was $8.49, and it's actually harder than it seems. Now I'm back in my dorm, finally, after spending about like 2 or 3 hours in Buffalo Exchange trying to find more stuff that I obviously couldn't afford. It was a struggle because I had to keep a budget for this costume. But I finally got my holster belt. Would have had the leg holster with it. It was okay though. I mean, for the price I'm paying, it's actually pretty good. Like, it actually came out of a costume. But this cashier was so nice. He was like, yeah, you can have it. I'll just remove it from this cowboy costume and I'll charge you $8.50 instead of $15. And I'm glad I finally got this item. Now I just need to get the shorts, a garter belt, and a crop top. And I'm still debating what color shorts I should get. Should I get them in black or olive? But also, on my ride to Buffalo Exchange and my ride out of Buffalo Exchange, it was an interesting experience, let me tell you. So, the first ride I got, this guy was like so occupied on telling his story, like, about his life. So occupied to the point that he started like letting go of the wheel to explain to me, and I was super freaked out and I didn't know how to say like, hello sir, please keep your hands on the wheel. You know, like those like tweets on Twitter that are like, why doesn't a bus just like run me over? This is different, okay? Death by Uber. I don't think anyone's really down for that. You know, when you're like so passionate about what to explain, you start using your hands. Yeah, he started doing that, but he's a driver, so I was super freaked out, okay? And I do have like some footage of the audio. I didn't want to record him because I didn't want to be like a weirdo or something. But like he started telling like, so I was like this downtown in Minneapolis. Let's not get carried away here. And then my next Uber driver, he actually went the wrong direction. Yeah, he started driving to a different campus, but it was okay. I just told him to like come back and turn around, so there was no extra charges. But so far those have been my two weirdest Uber experiences. Now I'll probably go on Amazon and look for I guess like a leather garter, because I feel like that's a part of a Lara Croft costume that unfortunately this didn't come with, so I'm probably gonna look for that. Also a pair of shorts and a crop top. I think I'm probably gonna get the rest of my costume on Amazon, hopefully, because it's easier for me. I ended up searching for a garter belt that was leather on Amazon, but I ended up not even using it. So it was pretty much useless, but I just really wanted to show you guys some footage of my process of searching for it. I didn't choose this one. I chose one that had a waistband, and it's actually going to show up next. That was the one that I chose. But, I mean, it's useless now, so maybe I'll use it one day, just not now. I eventually found the pants through thrifting, and I actually really like the pants. This is my finished costume. Honestly, I think it's pretty accurate considering the fact that I came up with this last minute. It's pretty much Lara Croft. And let me know what you guys think. Also, I'm probably going to be uploading my behind the scenes photo shoot video pretty soon. I haven't been getting up to that because of midterms. College is hard, okay? It is not easy. There is a lot of work. I'll probably get back to that hopefully soon, to be honest. I don't know when yet, but when I do, I'll probably post it on my Instagram, which the link is down below. It used to be like 2 videos every Saturday my first year in college, so like everything's just been very different. I got a job now, but I still want to make YouTube videos, and I'll try to upload at least once a month. So editing takes like about a whole day. If it's like really short, then it's probably about like 2 or 3 hours, but like that 2 or 3 hours could be spent studying on a certain class. So, moral of the story, I still want to do it. Comment down below like what other videos I should start doing next. Like what should I experiment? I've been doing a lot of Q&A videos. I haven't done fashion video in a while because I haven't found somebody to film me yet. So until I can find that, fashion videos are gonna be on a pause. You know what else I've been wanting to get into? Animation videos. Like, I think those are so entertaining. Like, I love Susie and Domix, and like there's many more, okay? I'm just listing my like 2 favorites. But unfortunately, I do not know how to animate. So if somebody out here knows how to animate and I can share like my wild stories, or like personal like cute stories and stuff like that, like let me know. Okay, let me know if you're an animator or if you guys would like want to see that, because I feel like storytime videos are okay, but like animated storytime videos, those are so dope. Hey guys,